What a journey it has been. I have been to sorrow, I have been to bliss, where I'll be tomorrow I can only guess. Through the darkest desert, through the deepest snow, forward, always forward I go. What a
Good luck
journey.
to your next work assignment, and we are very thankful that you were once part of our life. Thank you.
Good luck to your new assignment. I hope you will succeed as what you have done here in Region 7.
Ma'am Ruth, I'm happy for you because your prayers were answered. I'm grateful to have worked with you even for a short time. And thank you very much. You motivated me to excel, and I never forget your assuring smile and good-natured personality. Thank you and good luck. Always wishing you all the best things in life. Ciao.
Hello, ma'am. For sure, we will miss you. Hi, ma'am. Thanks for everything and good luck. See you soon.
Hi,
Bye.
ma'am.
Good day. May the wondrous blessings of Almighty Father bless you always. Sila ginaanak as imong mga anak. Thank you very much. Don't forget me as I won't forget you. And thank you all. Sanay, and don't forget my future destination. Thank you very much and God bless.
Hello, Mom. Thank you sa tanan and happy ka. Good luck.
Hello, Ruth. Thank you for all the knowledge and inspiration you imparted on us. And thank you for all the learnings, for everything. Nag-goal mi kay mula ka una ka, but also happy sa imong achievements in your new appointment. Doon na kasi imong family and loved ones. Kung sa imong gi-wish o gi-hope. We will surely miss you. Good luck on your endeavors and sa imong bago na assignment. You will always be in our hearts. Thank you so much and take care always.
Hi, Ma'am. Thank you for being part of Cebu, and I'm hope that happy na ka sa imong new assignment.
Good afternoon. First of all, congrats pala sa position mo ngayon na RD. Kaya lang, masyado kaming malungkot. Wala ka kasi hindi namin
Hello,
kung ano gagawin na.
Thank you sa tanan. Then, bisag kadali ra ka nahimo na mong RCD. Thank you sa tanan. Sayang lang wala jud ka kauban sa among mga diving activities. Kay busy man kay ka, pero ug mahimo na ganitong presidente, uban na sa dahib namo. God bless ug ingat sa imong kanang bag-o nga assigned area.
Hi, Mom Ruth. I thank the Lord for you. Thank you for your life. Thank you for the encouragement, the opportunity, and the inspiration. I learned a lot from you. I hope and pray na nakakaroon sa Region 11. I pray na the Lord will keep you and bless you. And I know that He will because you have a good heart. So, take care.
Ma'am, God bless and good luck lang ito sa Region 11.
Hi, Ma'am. Thank you sa tanan. Thank you for the new learnings. Thank you for the new experiences. And it is my prayer nga God will be with you, especially now sa imong bag-o nga assignment. God bless.
Hi, Ma'am. Hi, Ma'am. You know what, Ma'am? Na-miss na gid ta ka. And, ako message mo, Ma'am, is that karang thankful ko sa tanang chances na imong nahatag na ako. And I hope na okay ka permi. I love you, Ma'am.
Hello, Madam. Thank you kay nakasunod ko sa Policy German. And good luck.
It has been, in the end is not in sight, but the stars are out tonight, and they're bound
Affairs office staff, we would surely be missing your presence. It's an answered prayer for me. Back to barracks!
Farewell,
That's it! Good job!
Miss you in Davao!
Hello, RTD Tawan-Tawan, greetings to you. Thank you and farewell. I hope you like your new assignment. Farewell, bye-bye. See you again.
Farewell!
Hello, Ma'am Ruth. Sus, murag kadali ra kayo sa panahon. Pila kay pamantungan, welcome ka namo diri sa Region 7. Yeah. Karon balik na sad ka sa Davao. But anyway, ato man jud palabion ang atong pamilya, and that is what we are praying for nga mabalik ka dito kay gagmay pa imo mga anak. Yeah. Another is for health reason. Yeah. Sa pa ako isulti ni mo, Ma'am Ruth. Anyway, di jud ko kalimot nimo kay without you, o jud ko ka-attend og katong Muslim wedding. So ako jud na i-treasure, no? Kay seldom ra jud pila na ko katuig karon wala ka naabot diri sa Cebu, o jud ko ka-attend ana nga mga wedding sa Muslim. So, thank you sa mga advices, encouragement. Part na ka sa amo family. So, amo i-treasure ang imo friendship. Si Dudong, amo family. So, thank you, Ma'am Ruth, and God bless you.